It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
1 and a 2 and a 3. It is
Vlogmas Day 1. That was okay. That was okay.
You know, it's the first time for everything. You know, it's the first time, first Vlogmas. So yeah. All right, guys. As you guys can see, man, it's Vlogmas Day 1, December 1st, 2019. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna start off pretty slow and a little Christmas. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna start off slow. We're not in any Christmas spirit or anything like that, but bear with us. But you know, as you guys see the title, man, first day of Vlogmas, you know what I mean. So what we doing today?
We are going to be doing the hot Cheeto chicken wings, but
Correction, hot Doritos.
hot Doritos. So we have the what is it? The flaming hot Doritos.
Yeah.
We have the flaming hot Doritos. We decided to switch it up a bit because we seen everybody doing the hot Cheetos, so we want to do the Doritos flaming hot Cheetos chips.
Oh, before we dive in, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's Vlogmas, guys. You know, we coming with it, man. We gonna try this. This gonna test our challenge. You know, this gonna test our challenge, right? Can we upload
Every day.
31 days.
For
straight?
31 days.
This is going to test our challenge. I want you guys to help us to push us to let that happen. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, we're going to dive into the video right now. You know what I'm saying? As I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and
hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
you know what I'm saying? All right. BB gang. Let's run it up. Let's start this video. All right, guys. So, I did see Shavon the chef today. I'm just gonna be the person that's holding the camera and talking a lot. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let Shavon do all the talking, and then I'm do all the consuming. You know, that's my favorite line to say every single time. So I'm going to start it. I'm going to start it. As you guys can see, we got a little chicken leg, right?
Yes, man.
I gotta make sure. Got some chicken legs. We got like about 6 or 7 on there. What next we got?
Alright, guys. Y'all can't really see it.
I already show you guys this. Not only we got 1, we got 2. You know what I'm saying? All right, jump in.
Alright, so guys, we have some salt right here. We have some chili powder. We have black pepper. We have Goya adobo seasoning. We have onion powder here. And we have some accent powder. Accent seasoning. And we have not olive oil, but
Yeah, we got olive oil.
Cooking oil.
And guys, this I don't know if this is gonna be enough oil, but this gonna have to work today. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna have to work. Oh, we got eggs. Can't forget the egg. So guys, right now we're gonna wash our chicken. First thing first, always wash the chicken. Ain't that right?
Yes, we washed it 3 times already, but we're gonna wash it again just to make sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Whoa. Alright guys, so now we're going to do the seasoning part. Okay, we're just gonna put some salt, not a lot of salt, some
Salt, chili powder.
chili powder.
And guys, this is her cooking, so anything that's wrong, blame.
Whatever. And then we're gonna add some accent seasoning just to bring
Accent.
the seasoning out. We're gonna add some black pepper.
Black it up. This is a big one.
Some onion powder.
Onion powder.
And this
Last one, not least.
the
That's the
adobo.
last one?
I like this seasoning. I've never tried this, but when I did try it, especially in them eggs, whew, adobo.
Oh yeah, guys, if you guys didn't see that video that we made with the pancakes, that's what she's talking about.
I use that in the eggs. Oh, bomb. Alright, so right now what
No
I'm
about
going
to
to do,
you about to stir it, make sure that the seasoning get all over everywhere.
wait, how do it smell?
I can smell it already. Everything's strong. Alright guys, so this chicken is all seasoned up and ready to go. Now we're gonna do our what? What we're gonna do now?
Now we're gonna put the flour in the bowl.
Flour. And why are we using flour? Why are we using flour?
We're using flour so it can coat the chicken. This is going to be like the coat.
I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There you go.
I'm going to add a little bit more.
Okay, that's all. Alright guys, so basically I should just, repeat what you said you was going to do?
So the flour, I'm going to coat the chicken in the flour then. If I can get it open.
Okay.
Alright guys, I have my flour here.
And you have me right here.
So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little seasoning to the...
Alright, so this is what she's going to do. She's going to season the flour. You know what I'm saying? The chicken is already seasoned up. So she's going to season the flour. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the flour is in here. She's adding she added all-purpose seasoning. She adding the same thing we adding to this, right? So she's adding the same thing everything that you guys, she's adding chicken, she's adding into that. Basically.
I'm just going to do it.
I zoomed in.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. Well, y'all see. It moves, so. If you can't see that seasoning in that flour, you ain't putting it. Period. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the seasoning up because we're done with it. So now guys, we're gonna put the flour to the side and we are going to crush up the chips. Whoa. See, he messing up my dance. What,
And
baby?
then some
Whoa.
chicken, some barbecue. Yeah. Whoa.
Do the whoa, baby.
Some chicken, some barbecue.
Do it.
No, whoa. What is the whoa?
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa. Come on, food.
Alright guys, so you guys can see I got 2 bags of Doritos right here. Flaming hot nachos, you know what I'm saying? 2 bags. Do we need 2 bags?
Maybe. I don't know. Do we need 2 bags?
Do we need 2 bags? Oh, no, maybe. Okay. So what we're going to do. We're going to do 1 bag right now and then we're going to see. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to open this up. Look at, come closer. Go on. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but look how red that is. Alright, I guys see that? Okay, this is out. Alright, you want to try one?
You try one.
I'll let you guys try one. You guys can try one. Alright. First thing first, I'm going to crush these up. Normally we can use blender, right? That's the right?
Yeah.
But in this case, I'm using my hand. I'm just going to...
Because Doritos are easy to crush.
Yeah, there is a really easy crush. So you know what I'm saying? We're going to dive into that right now. Ready?
Ready. Light work.
Light work.
Y'all know Javon is heavy-handed, so.
Light work. Light work. Light work.
Light work.
Light work. Light work.
Boy. Alright, let's look and see what it looked like. Oh, okay. Wait, do that again. Do it.
Light work. Alright guys, come look at it. You're probably going to crush some more, right? I think. I think. Bro, see, you can't even see none.
Okay. Yeah, look, you about to drop everything.
Alright. Ooh, the moment we've been waiting for.
This food.
Put everything up?
Oh, I think 1 bag is enough, actually.
You think you crush some more?
Nah, this should be good. Comment down in the comment section below if y'all used to crush y'all Doritos up in school and eat it with a fork or a spoon.
What do you guys think? Should we crush this up some more? They said 1 bag is good enough, right?
1 bag is good, baby.
Alright. You want to dive into it? We're going to turn this bad boy on. We're going to pour this bad girl in. And then we're going to come together and make her wonderful fried chicken. We'll be right back after this video.
This nigga. Guys, I forgot to mention the buttermilk.
Oh yeah, the most important thing, right?
Yeah, so the buttermilk is gonna act as a, so buttermilk, they use buttermilk in their country fried chickens to get it country fried. Okay.
Yeah,
So
he
we're
said
gonna-
that, didn't he?
So we're gonna add,
Oh.
uh-oh.
What is going on with that? Ooh, we angry. Man, you make him angry.
I'm sorry.
Ooh, you angry. Wait that boy from the sleep.
All right, there.
So what you finna do with that?
I'm just gonna pour a little bit in the,
Why?
because it's gonna,
What the?
y'all, he not used to buttermilk.
I'm not used to this crap.
Gotta get used to it. Get used to it. Get used to it. Get used to it.
You do?
Hell yeah, that's
It's Yeah, it's alright. It smells good.
He lying. Yo, that smells good. That smells like ranch. Oh my
Taste it. Taste it. Excuse me?
Excuse me more. Alright guys, so the oil is hot and ready.
It is hot.
It's hot.
That's ready. This ready. This ready. This ready. She's ready. I'm ready. You guys ready?
Boy, come on now.
Alright.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm going to get the chicken here that's been soaking in the buttermilk for a little bit.
Buttermilk.
So I'm gonna get the chicken. I'm going to put it in the mix. Guys, this is the process that I hate when frying chicken is like doing a chicken. You know what I mean? Like, no? Okay. Alright, so y'all, I feel like this chicken gonna be real seasoned because
It's hot.
Alright, so there we go with the chicken coated. Gonna take this, dip it in there, just like that. Just, you know, a little dabble, dibble dabble. Each side. And then we're gonna put the chips over it.
As you guys can see what she's doing. My God. Damn, baby. My God. Bro, it's buried under there. Alright guys, as you guys can see, man, we did all of the work. We dipped and we dipped and we sauced and we spin and we dip again. Now it's time to dip this and that. Right, first of all, guys, look, oh, babe. What's your opinion on that right there?
That right there,
This look like the...
that look like it gonna be hot. I don't know. Cause it tastes like regular. It's I mean not taste, but it smells like regular Dorito chips.
Yeah, dude, I ain't even
So
tasted it
it
yet.
don't smell like any spice or anything, but oh Lord,
You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright. Guys, we're gonna dip it in right now. Come on. Alright guys, here we go.
Let me see if it's gonna sizzle for me.
Here we go. Drop that bad boy.
Oh, some of the chips are coming off. No, don't come off.
No, don't come off. It's cool. It's not all you coming off.
I need to scoop it over.
I gave you the fork, so you put them. You're trying to sink, right?
Don't
Yeah,
talk.
you better hurry up and drop them in there. That's all I can say. Do it, do it, do it. Ooh.
I think one more can fit in there, right? Because these are
Yeah.
huge.
One more right there. Ooh. Nah, I can't see nothing. So guys, hope you guys liking this video so far. I'm doing a good job. Remember guys, it's the first time everything, guys. This is the first time. It's the first time doing Vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? Day one. You know. You know.
It's cooking. Alright guys, so we are done cooking the chicken. Okay, this is not all of it, it's just 2 of them. But this is how they look. They fried crispy, like for real crispy. So this is what they look like.
Done by me.
Yeah, done by him.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we about to try it out on camera. Ready? Alright, y'all ready? Make it your chicken.
Alright guys, we got some seasoning. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hot.
Very hot. Not bad.
Pretty good.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, guys. Like, no cap, this is pretty good.
It's crispy. I don't know if y'all can hear it chewing.
Yeah. We can definitely do another video of this. This is Doritos a little bit. This is Doritos a little bit.
Right? It tastes like number Doritos.
Ooh.
It's not as spicy.
Hey guys, it's really good, guys.
Hot.
You guys should try it. Matter of fact, we're gonna do another video of this. We're gonna use a different chip.
I'm gonna use a different one.
Comment down below what chip y'all want us to use. Cause this is really good.
This is good.
Sure, this whole video, I was saying, man, is this gonna be good? But it's really good, guys. But yeah, guys, we sitting here saying it's good. Y'all probably gonna think that is it that good? Go try it.
Try it out.
Go try it. Go try it. It's really simple and easy, guys. It's like frying chicken. It's really simple. So, yeah.
This was Vlogmas Day 1.
Yep. I'm saying, bear with us.
And bear with
Because to be
us.
honest, guys, we wasn't gonna do Vlogmas. We
really
wasn't
wasn't.
at all. This was literally last minute. When I said last minute, Saturday. Yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday. No.
Yesterday, guys.
Yeah,
Literally, yesterday we was like, you know what? We're gonna do this. We hit a designer friend up, and she got us hooked up. We just gotta check the banner. She got the banner done in like less than, I don't know, but she got our stuff done fast.
Real quick.
Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? So, new intro coming.
So everything is
coming,
gonna
you know
be
what I'm saying?
late and stuff because we just really like
Yeah.
literally just was like, okay, let's do it, because we want to give ourselves that challenge of, you know, being able to consistently put out videos every day, because that's ultimately our ultimate goal, is to eventually put out videos every day.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try it out for 31 days. Bear with us, guys. We're not promising y'all, but we are saying that we're gonna try to get our videos every day. We're gonna hustle.
We're gonna try.
So
You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Day 1 is in the books. It wrapped up day 1. You know what I'm saying? Day 1, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. Day 2, stay tuned for day 2 tomorrow. With that being said, guys, turn on notification bell on, because I said day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, 8,
Day
9, 10,
31.
and 31 is coming. You know what I'm saying? Don't miss out. You know what I'm saying? So, if you guys don't get a notification, go check out our channel. Go on our channel, man. The video's gonna be up. So yeah. Day 1 is in the books, man. That's it for me, man. Got anything you wanna say?
no, I don't have anything else to say, because if I say a lot, this video is gonna be 30 minutes. So
Right. So we're gonna go over this video, guys. Y'all make sure y'all have a good, productive Sunday.
and Merry Christmas. Peace.
Yeah.